thinking about retirement, and I'm like, man, y'all don't even know. Like, it's gonna take over $2.5 million to sit down at the age of 60 if you want to sit down at the age of 60.
That's a lot.
Right.
And they're not even.
I'm
So
gonna trade, invest, stack money, build wealth now,
yeah,
right? So by the time I'm 35, 40 years old, I'm just,
hmm
you know,
exactly.
I mean, I'm not gonna be completely retired because I'll be running businesses and
Yeah,
whatnot. But for
you're gonna
the
be doing what
average
you want.
person
You're gonna
that
be
doesn't want to
financially
do all of
free.
that, and
Financially free, which means you can do what you want when you want. I mean, and if you want to work, you can go, run a business, whatever. But
and
you can do
pretty
whatever you
soon
want.
I'm gonna have this bot ready for y'all that
That's
we've
what
been
I'm.
working
This is what
on.
I was finna touch on, actually, right? So I don't know if we even talked about it that much on here or not,
No, we
but I don't
haven't.
know why we haven't. Like
We
to
need
me,
to.
I'm at work telling my homies, like, bro, he got a buy. Let me tell you, bro, this man has a buy, right? That will trade for you, right? So now, not only is he bringing advice by showing you how to trade, you can come back. And now this, I ain't gonna lie, we're not giving this away. All right, he can give away the course all day. I'm not letting him give away this. All right, so y'all gonna have to get y'all coins up off this trading first, and then y'all come back and y'all see us in a couple years, and then we can talk about what we're gonna do with this because we not, yeah, that's not getting given away. Anyways, he has a bot, right, that will take the trades for you, right? Do you this takes you out of the equation. Now it takes your emotion away, takes all that away. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, right? But the stats is the bot is winning at what? Like you said, 80 or 70,
So
82?
okay, it's so trading.
What
So
was it?
right now we're back testing across three unique markets, so we can get the best algorithm out of this because
Okay.
like we're gonna have like it's gonna be tiered. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
like the way it works is like I certain bots can't trade with only $100.
Yeah.
Certain bots you need to have like 1,000 to trade with so it have room. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right now I'm having this algorithm specifically tested on GBP, JPY, Euro USD, and Nasdaq. Right
Okay.
now I already tested it with cryptos and I finished with 82% win rate with
All right,
Euro.
hold up, stop. Say that one more because just in case they miss what you just said, you go past the most important. This the most important. I mean, for me, trading on all these platforms, that's cool. Me, I'm a money guy. So you said now, what was the rate of wins?
So win rate with cryptos and this bot is at 89%, 81% right now. 81, 82. It's like 81.67, something like that. It rounds
Okay.
out to like 82%.
Yeah.
And then on Nasdaq, we're hitting at just at 79. And
Okay.
then on Euro USD, we're hitting at 83. And
Okay.
the reason why Euro USD is the best is literally because that's the thing that I trade the most. It's what I love to trade the most. Is I'm what I'm best at. And
Mhm.
my goal in making the bot is coding myself. Like I'm a great trader, so I wanted to make computerize everything that I do when it comes to
Mhm.
the charts. So like literally, and it's honestly crazy. Like when I get a new account and like I know myself, like, self awareness is big when it comes to being an entrepreneur. You need to
Yeah.
know, be able to recognize your own faults, right?
Exactly.
I know that me when I get a new account and I haven't looked at the charts for like 2, 3 weeks or something like that. I just been chilling and I hop on. I'm probably gonna just only look at the charts and technical trade for my first like 4 or 5 trades, not even do any fundamental analysis. Reason being is I get my losses out. You know what I'm saying? Because I'll lose a couple here, whoop, and it'll kind of get me acclimated to what's going on in the markets. That's just how I work as a trader. And
Mhm.
my bot does the same thing. I noticed it does the same exact thing. It'll literally lose. I was getting nervous at first. I was like, "Yo, what? It's a $10,000 account. You're down like 4,000 right now, buddy." But I needed to let it actually trade. By
Yeah.
the end of the week, it's sitting at 17K. You know what I'm
So you
saying?
went from 10,000 to 17,000.
Indeed, in
How long?
4 days,
4 days.
4 days trading. And the
Okay,
thing
so I
is,
want to touch on something, right? Because we're getting ready to hit that 30-minute mark. So I